Welcome back guys. Today we'll learn how to install more themes to your Android Studio to make it a bit more interesting. Usually there's only 2 to 3 options to select from, but today I'll show you how to install numerous more and make it a bit more interesting. All you need to go into your plugins. In the marketplace we'll search for Material Theme UI, this one, and we'll install it. It should only take a couple of seconds, and then we need to restart the IDE. After that, we'll see what we have. Alright guys, as you can see, my Android Studio is already incredibly different, but for you guys it's maybe not going to be the case. So all you have to do is go into your settings, into your material theme, and as you can see you have a drop down menu in here where you can select numerous options. Let's go for Atom 1 Lite, and we apply it, and as you can see the Android Studio is completely different. It's not the nicest one, but there are a lot of options to choose from. Let's see another one, Material Ocean. Apply it. Okay, that's pretty cool. Now the incredible thing about this plugin is that it's not only changing your background color but also your icons and a lot of cool things. As you can see, a lot of different stuff we have now. Pretty awesome. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you find this useful and helpful for your purposes. If you did, please subscribe, leave a comment below about stuff you want to see next, and like this video. Thank you.